According to the recent McKinsey report in 2019, the immersion of Industry 4.0 is estimated to generate the value of $3.7 trillion for the manufacturers and suppliers by the year 2025. The report also states that about 68% of the companies see Industry 4.0 as a top strategic priority today. Industry 4.0 can be considered as the fourth modern upheaval in the manufacturing sector, after the lean revolution in 1970s, the outsourcing of the 1990s and the automation implemented in 2000s. So, let us now see how exactly the Industry 4.0 is revolutionizing the manufacturing sector. Welcome to Force Edu, a place where all supply chain enthusiasts come for a weekly dose of knowledge. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, you are missing out on value-adding content. The technologies of Industry 4.0 aim at improving the manufacturing and production activities by integrating automation and ensuring the process optimization. The Industry 4.0 allows the manufacturing industries to create a responsive supply chain, which helps the manufacturers to reach out to the end customers directly. The extensive usage of technology and the automated processes help in improving the employee morale, increases the workforce productivity, reduces the training costs and also lowers the employee attrition rates in the manufacturing sector. Let us now see some of the examples of how the technologies in Industry 4.0 affect the manufacturing sector. The first one is Industrial IoT. The Industrial Internet of Things, in the manufacturing sector, is used to prevent the overstocking or understocking of the inventory. This is achieved by using shelf-fitted sensors and weighing devices, which allows the warehouse managers to monitor inventory levels. Next one is the data analytics. In a particular manufacturing industry, data is often generated on large scale from the various sensors fitted in the equipment for the manufacturing purposes. So, in this case, data analytics is used to convert the data into readable reports, which deliver actionable insights. Machine learning models and the data visualization tools aid these data analytics processes. The next one is advanced robotics. A new generation of robotics is emerging which is capable of performing difficult and delicate tasks. One of the areas of robotics, named collaborative robots, is gaining significant attraction as they are designed to work safely around people and thus freeing workers from the repetitive or dangerous tasks. The last one is additive manufacturing. Being one of the key technological drivers of Industry 4.0, additive manufacturing works by using 3D models to create the parts with the 3D printer layer by layer. Additive manufacturing provides a huge scope of possibilities for manufacturing, from tooling to mass customization across all the industries. There are many more technologies such as augmented reality, digital twins, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence that have been changing the face of the manufacturing sector today. Although the implementation of Industry 4.0 has led to notable developments till now, there are still some roadblocks while implementing the same. Some of them are, not having adequate knowledge about the new technologies, high costs for the implementations, businesses finding it hard to justify the short-term impacts, and also companies failing to prioritize their key challenges that can be solved using these technologies. Some of the solutions that can be adapted in the industries to solve these problems are, arranging separate training sessions for the employees to adapt them with the new technologies and companies readily investing in these technologies by making detailed analysis. Also, testing the implementations on smaller modules and using a value-backed prioritization to keep the focus on the key challenges are some of the solutions for the successful implementation of Industry 4.0 in the manufacturing sector. Thus, we can conclude that with all these new digital technologies emerging, it is now a very exciting time for the manufacturing industry to grow and achieve new heights of success. To know more about Industry 4.0 and smart operations in various sectors, stay tuned to our channel FERS EDU and watch out our next video. Check out our previous series on the impact of COVID-19 on supply chains and stay tuned to this channel for the upcoming videos of this series.